All right, welcome guys. So let's solve this to 0 for a next greater numerical balance number. So x is a numerical dependency for every digit d in x, where exactly the occurrence of that digit in x. Okay, so this is a little bit hard to understand. And given an integer n returns smallest numerical balance number strictly greater than n. So for 2 is a numerical balance since that the digit 2 occurs in 2 times. Okay, so 100 you 1333 because 1 happened 1 time, 3 happened 3 times. Okay, so I think once you see this, I think you notice the key, right? So suppose so basically you can create a dictionary which lists this in map 1 to 1 and 3 to 2. Okay, so I think you can for each string where you can create such dictionaries, and your condition should be your di equals I for I in D keys, right? So basically for all the keys, your DI should be the same as I. Okay, so 3000, 3133. Okay, so this is my help function called isNew, which is the return, basically given S number, which you will if it's true, then basically it's numerical balance. Okay, so you change your original string into the original number into a string, and then you create dictionaries. And if it's 0, then you should immediately return false. Okay, so this is the optimization step. Otherwise, you di get d get I 0 1. So basically, you count how many. So basically, you create this, and then you go through each d keys and check whether it's the same as the integer part. If it's not the same, then you immediately return false. Okay. Finally, you return true because it passed auto test. Okay, and you're starting from n plus 1, right? So because it is small, strictly greater, so your n can add 1, and then you define while true. You check one by one, where you get some you get the first numerical balance number. If you get it, then you return that number. Otherwise, that you keep searching. Okay. Yeah, this is the answer. I think I solved this immediate in a test in a contest. Maybe it's not optimal, but it's very straightforward. Okay. Okay, so see you guys next videos.